Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to draw a bunny eating a giant carrot. Grab a paper and some markers and follow along. Draw the arm. A giant carrot. The leafy greens. Draw one long line for the head, the floppy ears, the back, and a foot. Draw the belly, the other foot, the belly spot, the tail, a wide open mouth, the nose, the eyes, spots in the ears, lines in the paws and feet, 3 long whiskers on each side, and some carrot bits scattered on the ground. And we have drawn our bunny and carrot. Now we can color our drawing. I'll make the bunny gray with pink spots. The carrot is orange and green. And our drawing is finished. Great job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.